So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove FRP lock on any Motorola devices. Now just as a disclaimer, this guide is for educational purposes only. Only use these methods on devices you own. Unauthorized use is illegal. Let me just highlight this one to make it more clear. This is for educational purposes only. Alright? And that being said, let's go for the step-by-step guide, which is gonna be the first one. Understand the FRP requirements. So FRP activates automatically when you add Google accounts to your Motorola devices. After a factory reset, you'll be logged in with the same Google account. Next up, use the official Google account recovery. Go to this website, accounts.google.com. Select forgot email or forgot password and recover your account and log into the locked device. Use Motorola Rescue and Smart Assistant. Download MRSA or Motorola Rescue and Smart Assistant on your computer by this website, which is support.motorola.com. Connect your Motorola device using USB and follow on-screen instructions for software repair and reset. Contact Motorola support if you can provide proof of purchase. Motorola support may assist you in unlocking your device. Now for the advanced methods, this is for technicians only. Use FRP bypass tools, which is caution. Download the trusted FRP bypass APK on a USB or OTG drive. Connect it to a locked Motorola device, install and run the bypass tool. Use it to access settings and perform factory reset, or basically, add a new account. So most recent Android versions have patched this tool successfully is not guaranteed. So alternative option, use the talkback method. On the Google verification screen, activate talkback by pressing volume up and volume down. Use talkback menu to access browser and download FRP bypass tools. Or you can use SIM card with pin trick. Basically insert SIM with pin lock enabled. Remove screen while on screen and tap notification to access settings. Final notes, FRP is crucial security feature. Always keep account details safe and use password managers to avoid losing access. Factory reset responsibly and remove accounts before selling your device. And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.